Hello guys, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So reading po natin ito for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Take only what resonates guys. Hindi ito magre-resonate sa lahat. So kunin mo lang yung mga messages na magre-resonate para sa'yo. So this is for the sign of Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Medyo pasensya nyo na lang guys yung aking setup. Medyo hindi ko pa po kasi naayos dito sa aking bagong sa bagong sa bagong place. So medyo maingay po dito kasi medyo po ito ano tawag dito, commercial area. So pagpasensyaan niyo na lang guys. Ang importante naman yung reading, kung makarelate ka, makaresonate ka, maaaring ang reading na ito ay para sa'yo. Pero kung hindi, wag ipilit, okay? You do have here the 5 of Pentacles. So this is your main energy. Tell me more for Earth sign, please. For Earth sign, okay. You do have here 9 of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck, you do have here the Magician. Nakakita ko ng someone dito na might be I can see celebration of something with the 5 of Pentacles. I feel like meron kang bagay na isi-celebrate in the near future. And I feel like may ibang tao na hindi masaya doon sa celebration na yon. Tell me about this celebration, please. You know, over the sun, this is a very happy celebration. Pero nakikita natin, may iba na hindi masaya dito. You do have here the Judgment. So, for some of you, ito yung mga taong literal nakakita ko dito ng uwak, So, yung uwak kasi is like a person na hindi nagiging honest sa'yo. Like, maybe they are watching you, they're spying sa'yo, no? And with the Ace of Pentacles, maybe it has something to do with your new beginning. So, might be meron ka mga sisimulan dito na mag-workout itong mga pagsisimula na ito, mag-workout siya para sa'yo. Pero may mga taong hindi matutuwa kasi nakita tayo ng inggit, ng selos, but they're not happy. The Tower moment is here because might be itong pagsisimula na ito could end something sa kanila. And I feel like medyo may pagbagsak dito with the 9 of Cups na maaaring mangyari dito sa mga taong to. And while you're on the other hand with the 9 of Pentacles, masyado kang focus, masyado kang busy regarding dito sa new beginning na ito. Nakita tayo ng mga peste sa paligid mo. So this could be kaaway, kalaban, and ito ang magiging dahilan kung bakit parang hindi sila magiging masaya sa kung ano man itong bagay na maa-accomplish mo. Tell me about this. You do have here the Chariot. You're moving fast. You're moving fast. Whatever you're doing right now, nakikita natin na you're moving fast. You do have here a Page of Wands. So, this is communication with the Hanged Man. So, maaaring may taong naghihintay na makipag-communicate sa'yo. And this person is nagkaroon siya ng time or ng lusot para makakommunicate sa'yo. With the Four of Wands, pwede may kinalaman ito sa something na hindi mo alam kung anong gagawin mo, maybe may ginalaman sa iyong career or activities or something, and then this person with the Temperance is like waiting for the right time para tulungan ka with regards to this. And this person really likes this feeling na parang magiging parte siya ng pag-ahon or pag-angat mo. You do have here the Knight of Pentacles, and I don't know what's this person doing right now, but with the Ace of Wands, nakikita natin, gusto niya maging parte ng new beginning mo. And itong person na ito with the Eight of Wands is taking actions. I mean, Wands is all about action. And nakikita natin, magte-take siya ng action with the world para kumpletuhin yung mga bagay na kulang para sa'yo. So, maybe makatulong siya with regards to your learnings or maybe financially. This person with the Ten of Cups, nakikita natin yung emotions niya para sa'yo. And I feel like with the 5 of Cups, you're not okay right now. Parang nandito siya para, kung hindi ka okay, I mean, it's like a friend na parang sasang-ayunan niya kung ano man yung mga masasabi mo or kung ano man yung magiging reaction mo, parang makikireact din siya. So, a very supportive friend or a very supportive person ang nakikita natin dito. Tell me about this, please. For the sign of Earth sign, the star is here. This is regarding your future. Nakita tayo na you will soon reach your dreams. Pag-uusapan ka ng lahat. Pero nakikita natin sila yung mapapahiya. Kasi with the Three of Cups, you will be, number 3 is about growth. And nakakita tayo ng growth para sa'yo. And in the near future, you do have your the Knight of Cups. Maraming mag-offer sa'yo ng mga bagay-bagay na, you know, there's an offer here. And nakikita natin yung offer na yun nakalaan lang para sa'yo. So, there's an offer in the near future para sa'yo. And hindi ko nakikita na i-offer pa yon sa iba. Once na i-offer. Nakalaan siya actually para sa'yo. There's an offer na nakalaan para sa'yo. And you do have the Magician. You will be focusing on your skills in the near future. Nakafocus ka sa iyong skills. Nakafocus ka sa mga kung ano pa yung magagawa mo. Seven of Swords. Ayan, especially with the Seven of Swords, this is you being more artistic, being more calm. Mas nagiging kalmado kasi mas nakikita mo yung mga bagay na ginagawa mo, na-appreciate mo yon. You do have the Fool. Nakikita natin that you're taking a risk. Kasi may naghihila sa'yo para gawin mo yung bagay na yon. Yung like, someone is telling you na to do this, to do that, and pwedeng kahit papano ay napupursige or napipilit kanya na gawin yung isang bagay dahil you do have the Five of Wands. There's a challenge here in the near future para sa'yo. With the Five of Swords, it's a challenge kung paano ayusin yung mga bagay na nawala or bumagsak. But with the Two of Wands, nakikita natin yung tamang pagpaplano mo kung anong dapat gawin dito. Nakakita tayo ng galit. But anyway, wala naman na kasi magagawa yung galit. You know what I mean? And with the Ten of Pentacles, nakakita tayo ng money for you in the near future. And tell me about money pagdating sa mga earth sign, please. Okay. Wait lang, guys. Okay, sorry about that. Nahulog kasi yung pinagpapatungan ng aking cellphone. Anyway, pangit pa kasi yung setup ko. Wala pa po akong stand dito sa aking bagong pinagre-readingan. But anyway, sana maintindihan mo. Importante naman yung reading, ano? Magse-setup na lang ako na mas maayos dito sa susunod. Yan, sorry about that. And you do have here the Two of Cups. So, alam mo, number 2 is about planning. And ikaw ito, nakikita natin, nagpaplano ka, and ang mas ginagamit mo is yung emotion mo in the near future, which is nakikita natin na parang nag-work out ito para sa'yo. Kaya nakita tayo dito ng Ten of Pentacles, which is money for you in the near future. You do over the Three of Wands. I feel like someone is returning here in your life. May babalik sa buhay mo. Tell me about this. King of Wands is here. At I feel like this person is either ikaw yung magre-return sa kanya or siya yung magre-return, babalik sa'yo kasi kailangan kanya. And that could be some sort of a person na pwedeng employee kind of person or kailangan kanya or ikaw yung may kailangan sa kanya. Ayan. The King of Wands is here. So, nakakita tayo dito ng businessman, businesswoman kind of energy. If you're owning a business in the near future, the wheel is here. May malaking pagbabago. The Two of Pentacles, I can see you prioritizing your business. Mas pina-prioritize mo yung iyong business, yung negosyo mo, career mo. And tell me about this. The Justice card is here. So, you will have this Justice card. Kung ano yung karapat-dapat para sa'yo na stability regarding that business, that would happen. So, the Six of Cups, sige lang, ituloy mo lang. May mga paglilipat tayo nakikita dito. Yung iba sa inyo may paglilipat ng bahay, tahanan, or paglipat ng pwesto. And that would work out para sa'yo kasi nakikita natin na the Queen of Wands is here. Parang hindi ka na para magpahinga sa ngayon. The Hierophant is here. So, you are a very spiritual person. Nakikita natin that you will be teaching a lot of people. And yung mga matututunan nila sa'yo ay nakikita natin na makakatulong ng malaki para sa kanila. And in the near future, you will be protected. Okay, mapoproteksyonan kang mabuti. ng mga tao sa paligid mo, mahaba pa yung lakbayin mo sa totoo lang eh. Kaya kung pinaplano mo nang tapusin dito with the death card, nagkakamali ka. Hindi lang yan matatapos dito, mahaba pa yung lakbayin mo. So, nakita nga tayo na celebration in the near future for you. The Seven of Cups is here. So, just enjoy the ride. Enjoy mo lang um, yung mga nadidiscover mo ngayon sa sarili mo and allow yourself to shine with the Empress. Nakikita natin na mas maipapakita mo sa iba ngayon kung ano yung mga bagay na talagang ibinigay para sa'yo, talento mo, skills mo, and nakikita natin na magagamit mo talaga ito in the near future for you. Okay, yung iba sa inyo, magaling ka maging leader, maging talentado ka, etc. Maipapalabas mo yan kung ano man itong new beginning na ito para sa'yo. So, thank you for watching. I love you all and bye-bye.